Yung pagka-pronounce ko ng Nguyen Hue is Nguyen Hue. Hey besties, good morning! Finally guys, it's my day 3, official day 3 here in Ho Chi Minh. And right now guys, naka-outfit ako ng parang workout outfit. Kasi nag-book ako guys ng Pilates class. Kasi guys, if I'm in Cebu, sobrang mahal ng mga Pilates class. And yung na-search ko dito sa Ho Chi Minh, I mean good thing, naisip ko siya guys randomly na why not mag-book kaya ako ng Pilates class dito sa Ho Chi Minh. So ayun, 300,000 Vietnamese dong yata yung per session niya guys. So less than 1,000. Good for 1 hour na siya na Pilates class. And if you're following me guys sa Instagram ko, most likely na-share ko naman siya randomly sa aking IG story na most of the time is nag-ano talaga ako guys, mat Pilates. First time ko talagang mag-try ng reformer na Pilates class talaga. So, I'm so excited. And right now guys, it's currently 9:14 AM pa naman guys. And yung Pilates class ko is 11 AM. So, pupunta muna siguro ako sa Family Mart, Circle K, or sa 7-Eleven para mag-grab ng snacks. I mean, breakfast siguro ng konti, slight lang. And then, after that one, pupunta na ako dun sa Nguyen Hue Walking Street kasi parang dun lang malapit yung yung studio, Pilates studio. So guys, sobrang ganda talaga ng neighborhood ko. Ayan. Ito yung neighborhood ko. I've been eyeing that one guys, so T&D Nails. Plan ko sana dyan mag nail gel. Hoping talaga within today siguro. Feeling ko mura lang siya. Feeling ko lang ha, if mahal, edi auto pass. Okay, ayan guys. So parang sa Family Mart na lang ako guys. Ayan, dito na ako. I think I'll be eating here na lang siguro. One thing pala guys na na-notice ko no, every time na papasok ka sa mga convenience store ganyan, parang they really greet everyone na hello Xin Chao. Xin Chao is parang hello. So hello Xin Chao, ganyan. So nice lang. Very heartwarming. I think ito na lang siguro. And then, maybe also this one. Plus, I'm craving for some hot choco. Hoping meron silang hot choco. Ayan guys, ito yung order ko. Ito na yung for breakfast ko. Ayan, meron siyang egg, tapos pork basil, yata siya, something like that. Tapos may rice. And then I have here water lang. So let's eat everyone! Yung kinonvert ko pala yung per session for Pilates class, parang around 600 pesos lang yata siya per session. Di ba guys, sobrang mura. Unlike sa atin, sa Cebu kasi sobrang mahal. Parang I believe nasa around 2,000 per session yata yung Pilates class. Kaya hindi talaga ako nakapag-Pilates doon sa Cebu kasi sobrang mahal. And good thing dito sa Ho Chi Minh, napag-isipan ko siya guys. Kaya ayun, nag-book ako. Actually, nag-search lang ako sa Instagram. And then, nag-message ako sa kanila. Yung pinili ko is Reformer Pilates class. I believe may tatlo yata yan. Reformer, tapos parang, hindi ako sure sa iba. Basta, parang tatlo yata yun. Yung sa akin lang is Reformer. Kasi feeling ko guys, para mas mabilis or mas madali siya. Hoping as a beginner. And by the way guys, later pala, mga 3 p.m. meron akong coffee class. Coffee making class. Diba guys? Sobrang girly. Lahat ng mga gagawin ko dito guys, sobrang girly. Parang healing era, char. By the way guys, standing ovation lang ako ngayon kasi walang chairs dito sa Family Mart. Ito parang mga gagawin ko dito talaga sa Ho Chi Minh guys is mga hindi ko na gawa noong last April na pumunta kami dito ni Jan. So, therefore, you should not expect na may mga kutsi tunnel kayong makikita dito. Kasi tapos na ako dyan. Tapos na rin ako sa hop in, hop off last April. So, yan. Hindi nyo yan makikita dito sa video na ito. Except siguro sa post office kasi pupuntahan ko yan for sure. And then yung Book Street at saka yung cafe apartment. Guys, update. I'm done eating na my breakfast and I'm currently here lang somewhere. Umupo lang saglit kasi it's currently 10:03 a.m. guys and yung class ko pa naman is 11 a.m. pa, so I am still so early pa guys, kaya that is why standby muna siguro ako dito. And then one of the things pala guys no, na na-appreciate ko sa Ho Chi Minh, I mean sa Vietnam, is yung money nila o yung currency nila, I mean yung pera nila, kasi they don't have any coins, so lahat talaga is paper bill. And sobrang convenient niya guys as a traveler kasi most likely mga scenario if you are traveling guys na merong mga coins, napakabigat kaya niya dalhin guys. Kaya yan talaga yung na-appreciate ko dito dahil wala silang coins. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung part na yun. Parang yung pinaka-less na money nila is I think 1,000 Vietnamese dong. Yan yung parang kung sa atin I guess mga around, okay, convert natin. Yung 1,000 Vietnamese dong is around 2 pesos. Yan. Kung i-convert natin yan, 2 pesos. So, yung coins sa atin is sa kanila, paper bills. Yan. Di ba? Amazing bells. My Grab car is here na, guys. Hello?
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Besties, I'm finally here na sa Nguyen Way Walking Street. And I remember guys, nung first talaga naming pumunta dito ni Jan last April is yung pagka-pronounce ko ng Nguyen Way is Nguyen Huy. Sorry guys, tao lang. Pero I'm currently here na sa Nguyen Way Walking Street. Saka nakita ko na yung T Pilates kasi yan yung parang name ng Pilates studio na pupuntahan ko later on. And right now guys, it's currently 10:21 a.m. pa naman. Sobrang aga ko talaga guys. Dawa ko siyang maaga talaga kasi much better na yung ako yung mag-antay kaysa sila yung mag-antay sa akin. Sobrang ningaw ng Nguyen Way Walking Street. Siguro kasi medyo mainit dito ngayon. Okay, I have an intrusive thought. Siguro pupunta ako dyan guys. Ay, yan. Yan. I think bakal yan. So, ilagay ko muna kayo dyan para doon ako magsasalita. Para maganda yung view nyo while nanood kayo sa akin. O, diba guys? Bakal siya! Yay! I'm so happy! So, I have chika guys. Kanina pala guys, sa Grab card, yung total talaga na babayaran ko is 30,000 Vietnamese dong. And then, apparently, yung coins ko, I mean not coins, pero yung parang small bills ko lang is around 28,000 Vietnamese dong. And yung pinakamalaking bill ko is 200,000 Vietnamese dong. So, which means, yung binigay ko sa Grab driver is 200,000 Vietnamese dong. And apparently guys, wala daw siyang change. Kaya, ayun, nag-count ako sa mga small bills ko. Ayun, kaya nga, 28,000 Vietnamese dong lang talaga in total. Good thing guys, nuha niya lang or in-accept niya. And sobrang happy siya pa rin. I mean, kahit less nakalas ako ng 2,000 Japanese long. Sobrang happy pa rin niya. Parang okay lang daw sa kanya yun. Ang bait nung Grab driver na yun. Tapos, ano siya guys, parang lolo na pala siya. And then, nung pagkapasok ko pala kanina, nung dumating siya, sobrang heartwarming din yung pag-greet niya. As in, nag-English din siya, good morning, ganyan, diba? Nakakatuwa lang in a small act bitaw guys, ganyan. Wala lang, I'm happy lang, yun lang. Morning happy thoughts. Okay, so maglalakad tayo ulit guys. Doon tayo naman sa mga maraming kalapate. Let's go! By the way guys, ito pala yung outfit ko ngayon. I don't know if you could see it clearly. Ayan, ito pala yung outfit ko. For my Pilates class. Ayan lang siya. Share ko lang. Guys, tingnan nyo. Bago lang to eh. Ito yung parang station. Train station yan. Amazing! Nag-improve na talaga siya. Last April pa lang, wala pa yan. Ang bilis naman. Sana all. Anyway guys, eto na pala yung cafe apartment. Ayan. So, I think tomorrow, nakaschedule akong pumunta dyan. And guys, finally nasa Circle K na ako. Yung Pilates pala is sa loob siya ng Circle K. Aakyat lang. And then sa second floor daw. So ito, Circle K pa to. Second floor ng Circle K. Tapos dyan tayo papasok. Para sa Pilates. Let's go! I see. Morning.
Yes, this and you can change this.
What? I come again?
Yeah, you can change it.
Okay. Thank you. Okay guys, 30 minutes has passed and so far, buhay pa ko. So far, maganda yung Pilates class pero parang as first timer na nagamit ng reformer is sobrang challenging niya pala. Yung mat Pilates kasi is ano lang, mas mabilis siya compare sa reformer Pilates kasi meron talaga siyang equipment and medyo mabigat pala to guys. Ayan, mabigat pala to. Hey besties, guess who survived her first ever Pilates class? Yay, it's me! In all fairness guys, sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ako sa Pilates class. Same lang naman yung mga parang steps from mat Pilates tsaka yung reformer. Ang nakaiba lang talaga is grabe yung effort if naka-reformer Pilates kayo. And I'm so happy that I did it. Yay! Another achievement unlocked. Another bucket list unlocked. Hoping not the last one. Pero parang hindi talaga ako makapag-Pilates sa Cebu guys kasi sobrang mahal ng per session nila. So, I deserve a Gongcha milk tea. I'm currently here sa Gongcha guys. Ayan. Nag-order ako ng milk tea. And maybe, uuwi muna ako sa hostel guys kasi mamayang 3 p.m. is meron akong coffee making class. And then pala guys, kanina kinakabahan ako kasi yung phone ko laging naka 1% yung battery niya even if kinonect ko na siya sa power bank. Yung power bank ko, nabawasan yung battery niya pero yung sa cellphone ko hindi dumagdag yung percentage ng battery ko. Kaya ayun, kinakabahan talaga ako. Good thing ngayon naka 3% na siya. So tara guys, uuwi muna tayo kasi parang dumidilim na naman dito sa Ho Chi Minh. And also guys, meron pala akong nabili na something like this, oh. Ayan siya. Parang pancake, crispy pancake something. And nabili ko lang siya sa tabi-tabi. 30,000 Vietnamese dong. Hey besties, I'm finally done freshing up guys. It's currently 2:25 p.m. here in Ho Chi Minh and right now on the way na talaga ako guys sa aking coffee making class around 3 p.m. kasi yung coffee making class ko. And yung lunch ko pala guys is ano lang siya, parang bread lang. Yan lang yung kinain ko kasi nagmamadali na ako right now kasi parang natagalan talaga ako sa pag-chill. So, mag-book na ako ng Grab. Mga nasa around 47,000 Vietnamese dong lang naman yung bayad. And by the way guys, yung ano pala guys, yung location pala for my coffee making class is same location pala siya kahapon nung bumaba yung yung price. Kanina 47,000 Vietnamese dong, ngayon 37,000 Vietnamese dong. Amazing. So yan, on the way na ako doon. Hoping meron 7-Eleven doon guys para doon na lang ako bibili. So, again guys, same location pala siya. Yung nag-cooking class ako kahapon. Book na tayo ng Grab. Mabilis lang naman pag-book ng Grab dito guys. Sobrang gamit talaga siya as in. Huwag kayo sa mga taxi guys para iwas scam siguro ganun. Mas reliable talaga yung Grab. Fun fact pala guys, no, dito pala sa Vietnam, parang kinakain nila yung aloe vera. Yan yung new information na nakuha ko kahapon sa cooking class. Like, they mix it pala sa yogurt or basta, talaga siya, very famous yung aloe vera. Talagang kinakain nila. Amazing, diba? Mostly sa atin is parang ginagawa lang siya for hair. Ayan. Sa kanila talaga, kakainin talaga guys. My Grab car is here na guys. Ayan. Hello! Good afternoon! Hey guys, I'm currently here na. Parang ako lang yung nag-iisang patient. So, it's currently 2:58. I made it on time before the coffee making class starts.
Don't put it on. Don't try so hard. Okay, here. You will sprinkle the cocoa powder a little bit in the middle, huh? Just a little bit. Awesome. Good. You touch it.
It's amazing. Yeah.
Love it, my friend. with the condensed milk to replace the fresh milk. That is how the egg coffee was born. What I have to think about. But no worry, now Vietnamese, we don't measure. Yeah, right. We put in by Amara. Too much? No, don't worry. That's good. Our class for today. I hope you can leave a review on the booking website.
Hey besties, I'm back again pala dito sa hostel. And right now guys, nag-dinner ako. And kakagaling ko lang sa coffee making class. Actually, same company lang pala yung nabook ko na coffee making at saka yung cooking class. So, good thing guys is nakapunta na ako doon kahapon kaya madali lang siyang hanapin kanina. And so far guys, nag-enjoy na naman ako as usual kasi maganda talaga siya. It's a bit refreshing to try coffee making class here in Ho Chi Minh. And I don't know guys if nakapag-video ba ako talaga kasi nahihiya ako guys. Parang tatlo lang yata kaming Asian, yung dalawa is and mostly pala is mga couple. Yung dalawa na couple is from Europe and then yung dalawa naman is from China and then ako. And yung isa naman is from Europe yata, basta mga western, ganyan. So nahihiya ako guys. And sobrang nosebleed kasi English ng English dito, char. Send help. Kung ano pala guys, yung coffee making class is 2 hours yung na-consume niya. So yung mga nagawa namin is egg coffee, coconut coffee, condensed milk, and then yung sea salt caramel cafe. Sea salt coffee. And sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ako guys. Although I didn't finish all the coffee kasi imagine guys, 4 na glass. So, nagsip lang ako ng konti and medyo parang naninibago na naman yung aking katawan kasi I've been deleting talaga coffee in my life. Although nag-tea ako, tapos yung tea, diba, is parang may konting caffeine yan. So, ayun lang. Medyo guys, hindi ko kayang inumin lahat yung 4 na glasses. So, if you will be doing a coffee making class, prepare yourself talaga guys kasi wala, palpitation is real. And also guys, before kayo mag-coffee making class, make sure na kumain kayo before going there. Dapat busog kayo guys. You know, coffee, sobrang strong ng coffee dito sa Vietnam. And para hindi ganun ka lala yung na-feel nyo kasi coffee is life talaga sa class na yan. And wag niyo akong tularan guys. Kanina, light snacks lang yung kinain ko before ako pumunta doon. So, that's also the reason why I didn't drink a lot of coffee talaga. Aside doon sa parang I'm not used to drinking coffee na rin kasi. So, if you are here in Vietnam guys, expect talaga na you will be drinking a lot of coffee kasi guys, Vietnam is the second largest exporter in the world. Imagine guys, second largest exporter sila in the world, as in the whole wide world. First is yung Brazil yata. Tapos guys, may fun fact pala, yung first na coffee talaga is from, guess what, where? Guess where? Comment down below guys, your first guess. Comment down below kung ano yung first guess nyo kung saan unang na-discover yung coffee. And let's see kung tama kayo. So, yung first na naka-discover ng coffee is from Africa. Yes guys, 'di ba? Africa. Sa Utopia? Yeah. To be exact, sa Utopia. I forgot what kind of animal yung unang nakakuha nung bean or yung seed, coffee bean or coffee seed yata yun. Tapos yung one farmer is parang na-curious siya, kaya ayun, trinry niya, kaya ayun, the coffee has been discovered. So, the rest is history. Basta guys, you should try the coffee making class. Marami kayong matutunan talaga, as in. And also, yung egg coffee pala guys, since nakatry na ako, kaya pala siya famous sa Hanoi kasi dun nang galing yung egg coffee. And then, yung coconut coffee is from, I don't know if tama yung pag-aalala ko. Yung coconut coffee is from Mekong Delta, sa Mekong area. Yan. Kasi yung place na yun is maraming mga coconut talaga, as in. Every dish daw doon sa Mekong Delta is lahat may coconut. Kaya ayun, of course, hindi naka-escape yung coffee, guys. Kaya, yung coffee nila, meron din coconut. That is why, na-discover nila ang coconut coffee. Diba? Amazing. So, nakinig talaga ako, guys. And then, yung Sea Salt Cafe is galing siya sa central area ng Vietnam, which is the Da Nang, Hoi An, and Hoi. Diyan galing yung Sea Salt Cafe. And then, yung condensed milk or yung white coffee, something like that, is galing naman siya dito sa Ho Chi Minh. O, diba? Perfect score. Ayan, guys. Nakinig talaga ako kasi nasa front row ako. Char. And also, guys, kanina kasi nahihiya ako kasi marami kami. Tapos, unlike kahapon nung cooking class is medyo makapal yung mukha ko kasi dalawa lang kami sa class. And kanina medyo marami-rami. Kaya ayun. But I'm so happy that I take this class kasi at first parang it's a bit intimidating. You will get to expose kasi from different people. Kaya medyo nahiya ako. I mean, medyo, yeah, kinda intimidating. Something like that. But anyway, at least na-accomplish ko. And they also gave us yung book pala, guys. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung kanilang booklet. Ito siya, guys. Ayan. A quick start guide, Vietnamese coffee, the course companion. Ayan. So, nandito talaga lahat-lahat. Guide siya. Actually, parang 13 yata na coffee recipe at saka may mga dessert din yata. So, diba guys, at least if we are craving some Vietnamese coffee, we could try anytime at home. And maybe gagawa ako niyan for my family at kay John. And then, eto naman guys, they also gave us a certificate again na na-accomplish namin yung course na yun. Pero actually parang same lang naman siya kahapon. Akala ko meron ditong Vietnamese coffee na something like that. In general pala yung nakalagay, Vietnamese Culinary Arts. Ayan siya. I'm so happy of myself that I showed up. Kasi kanina parang nagdadalawang isip ako if I would cancel it or not. But good thing, even if I'm scared, even if parang unsure ako, I still show up. And that's the most important thing for this trip. So ayan lang guys, medyo marami na yun na chika ko sa inyo. So ayan guys, thank you again for joining me on my third full day here in Vietnam. And grabe guys, ang bilis ng araw. Third day na siya. And I still can't believe that I did this trip. Thank you so much, Lord, and to my family and to John for being so supportive, and to you guys who are also watching up until this video. And plan ko sana guys na magpunta sa Nguyen Way Walking Street again, pero parang tinamad na ako. Tapos umulan din, yan, one factor din if you are traveling in October or in October or September, yan, maulan talaga dito sa Ho Chi Minh. So, check the weather from time to time talaga. But if you will be traveling on those months, expect talaga na anytime is uulan dito sa Ho Chi Minh. And meron palang bagyo dito guys. From the other day, galing siya sa Hanoi, Sapa, Northern Vietnam. Tapos ngayon, parang nasa Central Vietnam naman siya sa Da Nang, Hoi An, tsaka sa Hoi. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you again for joining me on my third full day here in Ho Chi Minh, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Buyers! I told you guys, hindi talaga to yung mga usual na gagawin dito sa Ho Chi Minh, although except sa cooking class and coffee class, parang medyo common siya. I'm not sure if common ba talaga siya gagawin sa mga Filipino, but mostly kasi sa nakita ko guys is more on Western, tsaka yung mga Korean, Japanese, Chinese, ayan. Sila talaga yung mga mostly na nakikita ko doon sa building ngayon. So ayan guys, thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!